minor and cofactor. If A is a square matrix of order n, then minor of Aij is denoted by m of ij and defined by the determinant of the sum matrix of order n minus 1 obtained by deleting ith row and jth column of the matrix A. Then minor of the matrix A is denoted by min of A, which is equal to mij of order n. If you permute I and j for I equal to 1 to n and j equal to 1 to n, we get the matrix m11, m12, m13, m1n, m21, m22, m2n, mn1, mn2, mnn, which is a square matrix of order n. Let us give an example. Let A equal to a11, a12, a21, a22. Now minor of a11 is m11. We know that minor of aij is defined by the determinant of the submatrix by deleting ith row and jth column. Now to find minor of a11, we have to delete first row and first column. Remaining submatrix is a22 and its determinant is a22. So minor of a11 is a22. Similarly, minor of a12, we have to delete first one second column. Remaining submatrix is a21 and its determinant is again a21. So m of 12 is a21. Similarly, minor of a21 is m21. So we have to delete second row and first column. Remaining submatrix a12 and its determinant is again y12. Similarly, minor of a22 is a11. So minor of a equal to m11, m12, m21, m22, that is a22, a21, a12, a11. Let us consider another example, b equal to a, b, c, d. Now we have to find out minor of b. So m11 equal to d, we have to delete first one first column, remaining entry is d, and determinant of d is again d. Similarly, m12 is c, m21 is b, m22 a. So minor of b is m11, m12, m21, m22, d, c, b, a. Similarly, let us take another example, c 1 2 3 minus 4. By m11 is minus 4, m12 3, m21 2, m22 1. So minor of c is minus 4, 3, 2, 1. Let us then consider example order 3 matrix. Suppose you have to find the minor of the matrix A. To find m11, that is minor of this element 1, we have deleted first one first column. Remaining submatrix 1 1 0 1 and determinant is 1. Similarly, m12, we have to delete first one second column. Remaining entry 0 1 minus 1 1 and its determinant is 1. Similarly, m13, we have deleted first one third column. Remaining elements are 0 1 minus 1 0 and determinant is 1. In similar manner, we can find m21, m22, m23, m31, m32, m33. So minor of A is m11, m12, m13, m21, m22, m23, m31, m32, m33. That is 1 1 1 2 4 2 minus 1 1 1. In cofactor, if A is a square matrix of order n, then cofactor of Aij is noted by either capital Aij or Cij and defined by Cij equal to minus 1 to the power I plus c into mij, where mij is the minor of Aij, where mij is minor of Aij. Now C11 equal to minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 into m11, which is equal to m11. As you know, minus 1 to the power any number it is either 1 or minus 1. If the power is an even number, so it is 1. If the power is an odd number, then it is minus 1. So cofactor is equal to minor when I plus j is an even number and equal to minus of the minor if I plus j is an odd number. So C11 equal to m11, C12 equal to minus m12, because 1 plus 2 3. So addition of the subscript is an odd number. So C12 equal to minus m12. C13 is m13 because addition of the subscript 1 plus 3 equal to 4 is an even number. C21 equal to minus m21 since addition of the subscript is an odd number 2 plus 1 3, so it is minus m21. Similarly, C2 to m22, C23 minus m23, C31 m31, C32 minus m32, C33 m33. Suppose C41 equal to minus m41 because 4 plus 1 is an odd number, so it is C41 equal to minus m41. C42 equal to m42 because addition of the subscript is an even number. So in particular, if A equal to this matrix, then cofactor of A equal to C11, C12, C13, C21, C22, C23, C31, C32, C33. as you know that C11 equal to M11, C12 equal to minus M12, C13 equal to M13, C21 equal to minus M21, C22 equal to plus M22, C23 minus M23. As you know that the sign of the position is plus minus plus minus plus 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 minus plus. So in place of plus we have to write the directly M11. In case of minus we have to write minus into M12 or minus of the minus. For example, so cofactor of A equal to M11 minus M12 M13 in this way. Let us consider example. Suppose consider A equal to A11, A12, A21, A22. Now you have to find out cofactor of A. So C11 equal to minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 into M11, which is equal to M11. M11 is A22. By deleting first column, determinant of A22 is A22. C12, it is minus M12. So we have to delete first one, second column, remaining matrix, submatrix A21, its determinant is again A21. Similarly, C21, so deleting second one, first column, the remaining entries are A12, C21 equal to minus M21, so minus A12. C22, you have deleted second row, second column, which is equal to A11, C22 equal to M22, which is equal to A11. So cofactor of A equal to C11, C12, C21, C22. That is this matrix. Let us consider another example. A, B, C, D. Now cofactor of A, that is C11 equal to D. C12 equal to minus M12, which is minus C. C21 equal to minus M21, that is minus B. C22 equal to M22, that is A. So cofactor of A equal to D minus A minus B minus A. Similarly, we can consider another example. 1 minus 2 minus 3 4. C11 equal to M11, so it is 4. C12 equal to minus M12, so it is plus 3. C21 equal to minus M21, so it is 2. C22 equal to M22, that is 1. So cofactor of A equal to this. Let us consider another example of square matrix of order 3. Let A equal to 1 0 1 2 1 minus 1 3 0 1. Now C11, that is cofactor of this, cofactor of A11, that is 1 is M11, because 1 plus 1 is an even number. So we have to delete first one, first column, remaining submatrix 1 minus 1 0 4, and determinant is 4. C12, we have to delete first row and second column. We know C12 equal to minus M12 as 1 plus 2 is an odd number. Now delete first row and second column, remaining submatrix 2 minus 1 3 4, and determinant is 11. So it is minus 11. C13, it is M13 as 1 plus 3 is an even number. Use the formula also, minus 1 to the power I plus A, Cij equal to minus 1 to the power I plus j into Mij. So C13 equal to M13, because 1 plus 3 minus 1 to the power 1 plus 3 4, that is 1, that is M13. Now delete first one, third column, 2 1 3 0, and determinant is minus 3. C21 is minus M21 by using this formula. So we have deleted second row and first column, remaining submatrix 0 1 0 4, determinant 0, minus of 0 again 0. C2 to M22 by using this formula, we have deleted second row and second column, 1 1 3 4, that is 4 minus 3 1. C23 equal to minus M23. Similar manner we can find C23 C31 C32 C33. Now cofactor of A equal to this. Assignment, evaluate, find the minor and cofactor of the following matrices, find the determinant of the bit 4 and bit 5 by using Sarra's method. You also check by also expansion method, values are always same. Okay.